Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for managing your finances in 2025. Today's video is all about how to withdraw money from a US bank to Western Union. Whether you're sending cash to family abroad or just need a quick and secure way to access funds, this step-by-step guide will make the process a breeze. With advancements in banking tech by 2025, transfers are faster and safer than ever, but we'll keep it simple and straightforward for you. First things first, make sure you have a verified US bank account and a Western Union account set up. Start by logging into your US bank's mobile app or website. Most major banks like Chase or Bank of America have seamless integration options by now. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. Here, look for the option to send money to external services. Select Western Union as your recipient. In 2025, many banks allow direct links to popular money transfer apps for instant transfers. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw and double-check the details. You'll need to provide the recipient's information if it's not a direct withdrawal for yourself. With enhanced security features like biometric verification or AI-powered fraud detection, confirm your identity quickly, maybe with a fingerprint scan or facial recognition. Once approved, the funds should transfer almost immediately to your Western Union account. Now, head over to the Western Union app or website. Log in, and you'll see the transferred amount ready to use. If you're withdrawing for cash, find a nearby Western Union location using their updated 2025 locator tool, which uses augmented reality to show the closest spots. Go to the agent, present your ID, and collect your cash. It's that easy. One quick tip. Always monitor exchange rates and fees, as they can vary. In 2025, look out for eco-friendly options that reduce paper usage in transactions. And remember, if you run into any issues, customer support for both services is top-notch with 24/7 AI chatbots. There you have it, everyone. By following these steps, you'll master withdrawing money from your US bank to Western Union in no time. If this helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay savvy and see you next time.